Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to save some money on your next DoorDash order? Well, you are in luck because today I'm going to show you exactly how to find the best DoorDash promo codes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Head to your favorite search engine and type in DoorDash promo codes. Look for reputable coupon websites like Retail Me Not, Groupon, or Honey. These sites often have the latest deals ready for you. Step 2. Open the DoorDash app. They sometimes offer exclusive in app promotions like discounts on your first order or free delivery. Check the promotions section under your profile. Step 3. Subscribe to DoorDash's email list. They will send you promo codes straight to your inbox, along with limited time offers you don't want to miss. Bonus tip: use cashback apps like Rakuten. Some of them partner with DoorDash to give you extra savings, and that's it. With these simple tips, you will be saving money while enjoying your favorite meals in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money saving hacks. Thanks for watching.